Korean crab sale.
Crab. We're here in the crab something.
Macaron there.
Ah? Macarons.
Yeah, macaron.
Macarons.
Dapat buhaan mo din si Lipa. Dapat tig-isa-isa sila.
Juliana.
What's up? Are you having a good time?
Yes. $13, mommy. I don't know how much you said.
Over the cash. Look at these pictures I'm taking.
Juliana.
Smile for the camera.
We're gonna buy tacos. We're gonna try it. It's good, Peppo. It's your name on it.
And it's your name.
And that's my name. Why you're drinking mine?
So madaming pictures.
Okay, let's go. We're just gonna wait over there in the table while waiting for the tacos. Julia, dito tayo. Dito tayo. Bumili kami ng mga ano ba binili natin? Ito oh. Oreo cake. Saka
Take a picture.
ano pa ba?
Give me your
Okay.
drinks. Give me your drinks.
Cashew brittle.
You guys switched your guys' name.
Tikman mo, sarap parang Starbucks.
I don't like it.
Macchiato yan eh. Saka yun oh, mami usog ka dito.
Oh, ang sarap.
Diba? Ang sarap. Parang Starbucks, masarap pa sa Starbucks.
Mom, you have to mix it. You have to mix it like this. Fancy. See, you have to mix it.
Yeah. Ayan, bumili rin kami ng pie. Pang regalo namin bukas. Yung kay mami, mabilis ah. Ang sarap, no? Parang parang Starbucks.
Take a picture. Wait, I'm taking a picture.
Ito pa.
Look at the baby.
Ito pa. Kay grandma. The name.
Hindi na makita mo.
Ayan o.
Makita yun.
Gloria.
Hindi makita yung tinapay nila.
How is this gonna be pretty big?
Gloria, Peppa, Juliana, and May.
And Daddy make it pretty. The tacos that we ordered are here now. And they're ready. No, don't do that.
Check it out.
They're so like small. They're small tacos.
It looks good.
Bago.
Kakaibang tacos to, merong
Ibang klaseng tacos.
may sibuyas.
Yes.
Diba? Gusto mo na may sibuyas?
Yes.
Mukhang masarap.
Oo nga. Ibang tacos to ah.
Kakaiba yung tacos nila. Saka hindi tipid.
Wala tayong kutsara. Ano ba yan?
Mami, hindi na hawakan mo lang yan.
Wait.
Wala silang binigay na.
Okay. Try nyo na, Julia.
Wait, I need to take a picture.
Di pa no.
Julia, kain na.
Ito walang avocado.
Oh, beef to eh, mami. Tapos yan pork. Oh, Pepa, kuha na.
Ayan.
I want to try this. I want to get this one because it has onions.
Yung hair mo.
I've never tried a taco with avocado before. This is like cool. That's really, really good. These are like good tacos.
Masarap.
Oops, this one broke.
Yung sibuyas nila may lasa.
Mmm,
Hindi lang basta gawa-gawa lang, no? Masarap. May effort.
handmade.
May effort yung ano nila, masarap.
It's handmade. Man-made. My taco is broke.
Ito yan, no? Pwede mo naman lagyan yan dito.
Yun, beef din yun.
Pork, ito, pareho.
Ay, ito at saka yun, pork.
Ito, oo, itong beef.
Okay, let's watch
Bakit na yun? Dito walang...
Parang mas masarap yun.
Okay. Oh, tissue, please.
Sarap.
Masarap nga.
Dala natin sila dati. Ako na bibili. Dala natin sila.
Shut up. This one has a lot of onions. I should have got that one. Here I am. Once again.
Order tayo. Masarap yung pork. Ha?
Huh?
Masarap yung pork.
Yeah.
Yung beef ba, hindi masarap. Tikman ko rin.
The pork is like so good.
Ah, mas masarap yung pork. Bibili tayo ng pork.
I like onions.
Ako na magbabayad.
Put it on here. Eat. Go more closer. Yeah. Okay. That's so good.
Sabi niya sa sarapan.
Masarap ang pork. Ah, yes, to go.
Sabi niya sa sarapan. Kaya may sibuyas.
Hey.
Masarap talaga.
Ay lang walang avocado eh.
Bakit ito walang...
Avocado, maraming matang avocado.
Ang galing. Masarap yung luto nila.
I'm thirsty. Where's my lemonade?
Kasi yung sa mga takot, ano gawin?
So good at picture taking. For photographer when you grow up.
Bang, masarap yung
No, that's fine.
ganito
That's fine.
lalo. Ilagyan mo sa'yo?
Nilagyan ko.
You have less of top. Fun. Don't like taco.
Sa akin tong isa. Buha ka dito.
Hey, fine.
Si Mr. Rico.
it. That's Mr. Rick. That's Mr. Rick.
Lapita mo si Mr. Rick. Hi ka lang ganyan ka lang.
Oh, Mr. Rick, say hi.
Teacher yun?
Yun yung parang
Police guard.
police guard. Sige na, punta mo. Maggalong ka lang. Maggalong ka lang.
Hi, Mr. Rick.
Galong ka lang. Galong ka lang. Lapitan mo.
Even I would do that. I did that to my social studies teacher when we were at Rainbow.
Hagrin ang lahat.
Sige na, Pepa. Mabait yan sa'yo. Hi ka, mag-hi ka. Ayan na.
What is that offset? I don't know him. He doesn't even know me.
Mag-hi ka lang dun eh.
He does.
Kilala ka lang
No, he
dun.
doesn't. Say hi.
Tanggalin mo yung taon pa. Ha?
Taon-taon daw ito. Taon-taon nagtitinday.
I like it here.
Isang beses lang sa isang taon. They're just here for only once a year, Julia.
Can I have this other one? Oh no, it will.
You wanna try the beef?
No, I like the pork.
Sarap ng pork. Kaya pakuha ka din ng tissue. Para makapag-hi ka kayo, Mr. Rick.
Can you get us a tissue? Right there, napkins over there on the table. Wow. Right up it.
Para makapag-hi ka doon. Sige na.
Yeah. I don't know. Just say hi, Mr. Rick.
Oh,
That's all.
hi. Yan na.
No, but I don't know where the tissue is. You can even hug him. I hugged one of my teachers last night. Mommy, one time on PE, did I already told you on PE I saw my fourth grade teacher and I hugged her. She recognized me with my friend. She was like, hi girl. I said hi first.
Julia, kuha ka din yung ano.
Tissue? Where? Over there?
Hindi ko alam. Humingi ka lang ko. Ayun yung nasa ano, table.
Oh. Okay. Maybe go with me. You can say hi.
Go with ate.
Oh. Maybe just need someone to go with.
Di pa.
I do.
Let's go. Tingnan natin kung mag-ayan. Nag-hi siya. Mag-ubos na namin. Did you say hi?
I don't usually eat tacos, but this is a good taco.
Masarap nga.
It's
Masarap
better
siya.
than Taco Bell.
Yes, better.
Yes, much better.
Much
Manapin ko na.
Sorry, Taco
long
Bell
way
people.
better.
Sorry, Taco Bell people. This
Ashley
is
yata ito no.
handmade. This is handmade.
Yeah.
Not from Russia.
Ashley ito.
Benny's
Parsley.
the oven machine.
Buksan natin ito.
Maybe because this one's cooked on a grill.
Yeah.
Because they grill. They grill.
Tikman natin ito.
Grill.
Yan. Sige, tikman na yan.
Good thing it's not hot outside anymore. Oh, it's raining.
Yeah, it's not outside. Kaya masarap kumain sa labas. Nandito lang kami sa parang ano lang eh, oh.
Ito kausap mo.
Labas lang. Kausap ko yung cellphone. Mami, busog ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi, busog ka na.
Kakain pa ako nitong dessert. Lasa.
Anong masarap? Ay, anong masarap? Anong lasa?
Sarap.
Sarap?
Kasi kasoy ito eh.
Oo. $3. Pwede na. Panghimagas.
Mommy and already done.
We're waiting for our
Or take out order.
take out.
Taob.
Can I eat this?
Matigas lang. Dito. Kumuha ka pa dito pag gusto mo pa.
Oreo cake. Thanks, that's all.
Kain na kayo.
Oreo cake.
O sige, tikman nyo. Uy, masarap siya. Ang sarap.
Tikman ninyo.
Mami, sarap.
Kasoy kasi ito.
Ang sarap. Parang special. Special yung pagkakagawa.
Sige, tikman ninyo ito. Matikman natin.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Here.
Ayan na. Yan na yung take out. O sige, tikman nyo yung yung Oreo cake.
I want to talk.
Oh yeah. Bottom has for straight and then
Yeah. The bottom has little sprinkles. Sprinkles down my stomach.
How do I open this?
Open mo na yan sa plastic.
Elizabeth.
Kagatin mo.
Oh, here.
Ang in-order namin, pork. Masarap kasi yung lasa kaysa dun sa beef.
Nagtag mo ng bahay. Ano mo ulit.
Mm.
Tikman natin yung yan.
Uy, bilisan mo na, ma'am.
Hey. People are waiting, aren't they?
So if you're the one that's opening it. Okay. Here you go.
I want the top one. It looks like it's melting, but it's actually dry.
May design pa yan, no?
Yep. Okay, let me take.
Parang small cake.
Small cake, and then inside
Wait, I need to take a picture.
Mm.
I need to take another picture. Since it's open now. Hey, no.
Anong lasa, Pepa?
I don't taste the inside yet.
Ano? Parang di kayo nasasarapan na. Patikim nga kami.
It's very Oreo-y.
Oreo? Patikim nga.
Like it's berry.
Oh.
It's so good.
That's super.
Mami, tikman mo na yung kabilang side. Wala naman tayong pangkat.
Thank you.
Akin na tikman ko rin. Anong lasa?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Parang bating mo.
Kamote. Oreo cake to, mami. Yeah, masarap.
Sarap na.
Sarap.
It's like pretty sweet.
Ang galing nila gumawa. Ang galing nila gumawa dyan.
I want to go here every year now.
Yeah.
Every year.
Kasi kahit ito masarap eh.
Wait, I want to try that.
I know all of this inside of all
try
of
nyo.
that is all handmade. Not all of this.
Yeah, it's probably handmade.
All of this.
Yeah.
All of inside the store is handmade.
Ang sarap, ang sarap.
You got the peanuts one because you guys have a lot of peanuts. Our family loves peanuts. Fun fact.
Okay.
Fun fact first.
background kasi gawa nito.